When international clients visit our aluminum profile door and window manufacturing base, they embark on a meticulously curated in-depth experience, gaining a comprehensive understanding of our integrated capabilities, from core manufacturing to complete system solutions. The entire tour revolves around door and window system integration, highlighting our all-round expertise in structural design, precision engineering, and performance verification. During the visit, clients not only witness key production processes firsthand, but also directly interact with finished door and window products. Through hands-on demonstrations and functional testing, they personally experience the outstanding performance of our products in terms of sealing, operational smoothness, and structural stability. This practical engagement helps clients intuitively comprehend the complete transformation process from raw materials to high-performance finished products. The entire experience is designed to convey our technical philosophy and manufacturing standards, enabling clients to understand not just what we produce, but how we ensure long-term reliability through systematic production control. Furthermore, our technical team accompanies clients throughout the tour, providing real-time answers to questions regarding customization needs, performance standards, and application scenarios. This interactive communication fosters in-depth dialogue, allowing us to respond on-site to clients' individualized requirements. By seamlessly integrating the real-time production environment with authentic product experience, we effectively demonstrate our professional capabilities and build enduring trust. After witnessing our manufacturing standards and product quality firsthand, most clients often initiate specific project discussions even before the tour concludes, laying a solid foundation for future collaboration.